Today, just got out of a session in my car in Bombay. I don't know what triggered this thought actually. I was thinking about a talk that I need to do, which is something on the lines of doing a motivational talk for a bunch of salespeople. I have that coming up in a few days, and I was just kind of putting my thoughts together for what I want to say, because I've done these talks so often, but I often like to go with new content every time we have a new project, a very specific requirement from a client. And I was just thinking, the thing that irritates me most about people is somebody that's not willing to put their 110% in their work. I think that's the thing that irritates me the most about people. It's not how capable they are. I don't think that is the problem. I think the bigger problem when I meet people is them just not putting their 110, 120% at doing their work. And for me, that's such a big disservice that you're doing to yourself and to your family, right? Once you're a professional, you're not a kid anymore. Each and every professional needs to learn how to take more responsibility, because as you grow up, you have responsibility not just for yourself, but also for your family, right? Every time I speak to people across India, that's a big theme with people in India, because I guess they watch a lot of TV shows, they watch a lot of movies, and they keep talking about how they love their families so much and how they do anything for their families. And very often I ask them, or I say to them, listen, forget doing anything for your family. You're not even willing to do the basic of what is required for your family, which is doing the best that you can do at your job and trying to succeed professionally so that you can provide better for them. Listen, you're going to spend 9 to 6 anyway working, right? You may as well do that to the best of your ability. And just remember, doing something to the best of your ability is not just about working hard. That's just one aspect of it. The most important aspect is ensuring that you're continuously bettering yourself, that you're becoming a better version of yourself. Working on yourself is as important as working on your job, both things, and that is when you're going to start doing better. So start giving 120% to your work. They're going to be there from 9 to 6 anyway. Do the best that you can. The more you start doing the best that you can, automatically you will see magic happening at the workplace. Okay? So just a thought, a rant from my side in Bombay traffic. I think Bombay traffic is irritating me, and it's getting all these thoughts. Okay, bye vlog.